Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Modern Mondays. Today we're going to be installing a RTR style grill. And look at this right here. And I also got the Coyote badge on the front. We're going to be installing this, so we'll just get right into it. It's going to be a super easy and quick install. I already got the front bumper off. You're going to be pushing all these pins to get rid of this inside grill, and then the other one will just pop right in. We're gonna do that. Oh, with the old, this one's and with the new. If you guys were thinking about purchasing one of these eBay RTR style grills, you can drill out the middle part. All the electronics are in this thing. You could probably remove this and just drill this out and then put this back in. That's what I plan on doing on at a later time. Should clip back in. Good. Alright, it's all clipped in. So you're going to want to lightly cut the cables so you can remove the plastic that is on top covering the copper. You want to grab this brown one, and you're going to do the same thing to only the green one and the black one. The green one is when you turn on your car, it has that light at the bottom that stays on constantly. That's gonna be this green one. And the turn signal is gonna be this blue one. So don't connect to the blue one unless you want the RTR headlight to be a turn signal. So green and black is what I'm gonna do in this video. Once you expose a little bit of copper, just wrap it around just like how I did right there. And now we're going to cover it with tape, electrical tape. Alright, now that that's done, both copper wires are closed up. We're going to tie them all together. Alright, we're all done on this side. Gonna do the same thing on the other side and we'll be done. We're gonna do the same exact thing on this side. Just gonna pull back this tape. Alright, so we still got the brown, we got the middle one, which is going to be this brown and yellow one. The brown one with the one yellow stripe could be the one we're going to use. And obviously we got the black, which is the ground. That's how you do it. So anytime these amber lights turn on, these white ones turn on also. That's where you guys connect, or that's where I connected it to. So anytime I unlock it or while I'm driving, they turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the post mod review. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. Oh my god, this is my third time recording because I keep forgetting to turn off the AC. But anyways guys, welcome to the post mod review. I'm your host Christian, and we're gonna be reviewing the eBay RTR style grill headlights, I guess. I'll link them down below in the description if you guys want to buy the exact same ones that I bought. Let's get right into the review. So it's gonna be a super easy install. Anyone can do it. If you've never done a mod before, you can still do this mod. I definitely recommend. It's a 10 out of 10 on how difficult it is. It's gonna be a super easy install. I recommend anyone else to do this mod. It took me less than 30 minutes. Anyone else that hasn't done a mod, maybe it'll take you about less than 45 minutes. It's ridiculously easy. Looks wise, it made the car look so much better than the factory grille. The factory grille that has the chrome pony on the front makes it look like any other Mustang that's EcoBoost or another base model GT. They all just look the same, honestly. So changing up the grille itself is really nice, whether you're getting a grille or you're getting the eBay RTR grills. Looks wise, it's a 20 out of 10. Looks gorgeous on any Mustang. Moving on to the next portion, it's going to be functionality. So functionality, the airflow is going to be, I'm assuming, greatly increased. I'm not too sure, but looking at the old front grille, there were some portions of the grille where it was just blocked off. I don't know if they did that because they didn't want people to see inside. I feel like they could have made the front grille look a lot better on the GT than the EcoBoosts. And also the next portion, easy use. The way I installed it, if you guys followed the same way that I did it, it's gonna be whenever it's dark. So at nighttime, when your headlights turn on automatically, they're gonna turn on also. If you're at a photo shoot and it's not dark, just turn on your headlights and they will turn on with your headlights also. It's just that simple. Honestly, you'll never need to think about them ever again. People will see them, you won't even think about it. It adds a lot of light, honestly. Driving at night. I've been driving with the RTR headlights for about a month now, maybe. And yes, I've been slacking on editing this video and the next one. But I definitely see the difference while I'm driving, and I can see a lot more that's directly in front of me. It's not like an amazing amount, but it's better than nothing, honestly. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below or direct message me on Instagram. I'll answer on both. And don't forget to leave a comment down below on what mod I should do next. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Peace out guys. Keep on modding.